Hello everyone. Have a very large hair cluster that has pretty ribbons at the ends and braided with the middle section of the hair along with the two ribbons as well. Making it together and tie the ribbon at the ends once you finish braiding. In the middle section of the hair, make a bunch and make a loop and attach a very beautiful hair cluster that has ribbons. Then grab some strips of hair from the sides and from the ridges as well and braid it along with it. So braid it top to bottom in a curvy manner. Tie two rubber bands together and continue doing the same with colorful rubber bands, making a line of rubber band. Then attach it to your hair's ponytail at the side. Then continue making it into a loop into alternative direction. So do it until you complete the very end of your hair and pinch the braids out for some volume and make the tips in a bulbous manner by having a loop. Have a beautiful ribbon on top of your hair and braid it on the side of your hair. Combine the two braids at the back and continue the braiding with the excess hair and the ribbon at the back section of the hair. So do the braiding randomly up to the bottom. Have a bow tie. Drop a lovely ribbon on top of your hair and braid your hair at the side section. Then the back section divide it into two and braid it along with the first braid we already did. Now braid it up to the bottom, then using a lovely ribbon, make a bow tie and secure it. Again, go for a lovely ribbon, make it on top of your hair and braid it right on the spot, grabbing hair from the front section and braid it up to the bottom, then have some hair at the back section at the right side and braid it as well. Now make the braids go across each other and have a hair ribbon in the shape of a bow tie and secure it. Split your ponytail into two and make a loop in one of them and make the other go inside it and press it upward so that it forms a bow tie, braid it and secure it in the middle. Then with the remaining ponytail, braid it in one section and have the braid completed. Have a bunch on top and the bottom section, make hair ties 3 times and braid it, make it sit on top of the ponytail, braid the ponytail and make it swirl into a bun and have a hair bun. Have 2 braids in the bottom section of the hair and make it bulbous in the top section, make a ponytail and straighten it with a bun maker and form a bun and cover it and have a beautiful hair bun. Thank you guys for watching this video.